Well, it was a good match. Jovan is always tough competition. So we came out, put on a show. Um, the first set was pretty tight, but as the match progressed and the second set came on, I was able to open up the court a little bit, go for a few more shots. So tried to go for some more angled shots and then to close out. And it worked a little better in the second set.
You have some important points that I could have made better decisions on. It is my friend, so it was fun playing him and playing him many times, I look forward to giving back his fair share in future. And it was a good tournament overall. I like to have played for the entire time.
Ruling as usual, nothing expected. I was really surprised if would have been able to win it 1-2. That's never now in the story with D&I. So great job to him for coming back for sure. And as usual, we look forward to seeing each other in many more finals.
It's the start of the season. It's a long road. We're putting in the work, and I'll be back out here each and every time, going for it, trying to get a win. So I'm back in the lab, and I will see everyone next time. Congrats to Ruddy. He did his thing.